Is starting a Shopify store in 2025 still worth it? With so many new tools and sellers, here's what really works this year. Shopify isn't dead, it's evolving. Those who adapt win. So here are 5 tips to help your store grow smarter this year. Don't chase random TikTok trends. Research the data, see what's trending in your niche, what's saturated, and where the profit margin lies. Tools like FindNiche can save hours of guesswork. Design builds trust. Visitors judge your store in 3 seconds. Keep it clean, clear, and fast. Clean layouts, fast loading, and consistent branding can increase conversions by 30% or more. Use a light theme, limit colors to 2 to 3, and make sure every button is clear. Simplify your tech stack. Don't install 20 random apps. Focus on reviews, upsells, and email pop-ups. Here are 3 free apps that actually work: Judge.me for reviews, Klaviyo for email flows, and Reconvert for upsells. Install only what drives revenue. Test ads small before scaling. Don't throw $500 into ads with no data. Test 3 to 5 creatives with $20 each, then scale what converts. Always track your cost per add to cart and return on ad spend. Build long-term trust. People buy from people they trust. Add testimonials, real photos, and even short thank you videos from customers. It makes your brand human. So yes, Shopify in 2025 still works. Just stop guessing, start testing, and use the right data. Try FindNiche to discover real winning products, links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify hacks.